Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Xbox Series X. No, it's supposed to be pulled. See? No, I can Now there's more. Oh, okay. At least this is not. Let's put this to the side. Okay, some cables. A controller. And that's it.
Here's your mic.
Oh, yep, this is tough. Okay. Oh, why? Come on, how do I sync controllers? Is it like syncing? No. We got 2 new controllers for the Xbox because it can support 4, and our whole family can play. Also, we got some games. My favorite is probably Gang Beasts. If you ever heard of it. And then I also got Farming Simulator 19, Formula 1, and Forza Motorsport 5. It's supposed to be a multiplayer game. We'll see. Yep, and I got Roblox. It's basically a PC or a computer because it's Microsoft. So I don't know if I'd recommend getting an Xbox because you can't play, download those mods you want. But the experience is different.